I choose my topic because it's easy to argue and I want to learn about divorce. Divorce is the termination of marital union, the canceling and or reorganizing the legal duties and responsibility of marriage. So, my thesis statement is divorce in our country should not be legalized by the government. Divorce is rated as stressors to the couples. Why it is a stressor? Because the couple undergo to the problem. Due to that problem, they may drink alcoholic drinks and etc. Divorce can affect the health of their children. The children cannot carry anymore the conflict of his or her mother and father. The parents cannot focus to their children, so the health of the and lifestyle the children may change, or the children rebel to his mother and father because the divorce. Lastly, divorce are too expensive. It is common why divorce is expensive. Obviously, you hire a lawyer to defend you in the court and also you pay some charges to the court.